Bee wings beat over 11,000 times per minute, allowing for their famous buzzing sound. Bees have 5 eyes, which include 3 simple eyes on the top of their head and 2 compound eyes. Queen bees can live up to 5 years, significantly longer than workers who live only a few weeks. Bees communicate through dances, such as the waggle dance, to inform others about food locations. Malay bees, or drones, exist solely to mate with the queen and do not even have stingers. Bees are crucial for pollination, affecting 70% of the world's flowering plants, including 35% of global crops. Honey never spoils, due to its low moisture content and high acidity, making it a natural preservative. Some bees are solitary, with around 90% of species not living in colonies. Beeswax has been used for thousands of years in various applications, including candles and cosmetics. The honeybee's genome was sequenced in 2006, enhancing our understanding of their biology and behavior. Worker bees are all female and perform all the work needed within the hive. Bees have tiny hairs on their eyes to help catch pollen. A single bee will produce only about 1/12th teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Bees have been shown to recognize human faces using their visual pattern recognition skills. A colony of bees can contain up to 60,000 bees at peak season. Bees' favorite colors are blue and purple, which they can see very well. Royal jelly is a substance that allows a bee larva to grow into a queen rather than a worker. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica due to the lack of flowering plants. Worker bees change their job as they age, taking on tasks from nursing to foraging as needed. Propolis, or bee glue, is produced by bees from tree resins and is used to seal cracks in the hive. The buzz that bees produce is the sound of their wings stroking 11,400 times per minute. Bees have been trained in bomb detection due to their keen sense of smell. The giant honeybee makes nests over 1 meter wide in the open air. Bee venom has been studied for its potential to treat rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Bees can fly at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. To make 1 pound of honey, bees must visit about 2 million flowers. Bees prefer to fly in sunlight and avoid dark or cloudy conditions for foraging. Bee larvae are fed over 1,300 times a day during their first few days of development. When bees sleep, they stop moving their antennae and often fall over if not on a flat surface. Beeswax is formed by 8 wax-producing glands in a bee's abdomen, secreting as scales. Ancient Egyptians transported bees along the Nile to pollinate crops. Beekeeping dates back to at least 500 BC, as evidenced by ancient Egyptian art. The smallest bee species, Perdita minima, is less than 2 millimeters long. Bees make a distinct piping sound to signal the start of a new queen's emergence. Honeybees can recognize human faces through processing visual patterns in their brain. Bees are capable of associative learning, remembering locations of flowers with high-quality pollen. Bees have distinct personalities, with some showing more adventurous traits than others. Worker bees cool the hive by fanning their wings to promote air circulation. The Africanized honeybee, also known as the killer bee, is more aggressive than other honeybees. Bees have a keen sense of smell which they use to detect pheromones for social communication. Over 16,000 species of bees are recognized globally, each with unique behaviors and characteristics. Bees can recognize the symmetry in flowers, which often signals a better nectar reward. Varroa mites are one of the biggest threats to bee populations, feeding on both larvae and adults. Bees use the sun as a compass to navigate, even on cloudy days, through polarized light detection. A queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day during peak season. Bees' knees have a structure called a pollen basket, which is used to carry pollen back to the hive. Bee colonies are led by a single queen whose sole purpose is to lay eggs. Bees can flap their wings about 230 times per second. The average foraging range of a bee is about 4 to 5 miles from the hive. Bees are involved in the production of more than just honey, including beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly.